Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best portable TV stands that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Mount Factory Rolling TV Stand. This product will fit in most homes thanks to its practical design. It is relatively small compared to other options but is perfect for any house and can handle heavy weights pretty well. It features an adjustable height for varying the viewing angle and can easily be moved from one location to another with ease. In addition, consumers love the sleek finish that gives it the elegance and also helps to complement the interior decor. This makes it a good choice for traditional or modern drilled homes. Although lightweight, this stand is strong and also long-lasting. At number 4. Kanto MTM65PL Portable TV Stand with Mount. This TV stand is known for its simplicity, portability, and affordability. It's suited for many sizes and has a simple but very effective mounting design. The height can be adjusted to vary the viewing and can also be moved quickly to suit varied requirements. Moreover, it features modern styling to complement different interior decors and can handle high weights well courtesy of the solid engineering and top-grade materials. It can be placed in different locations and will still look good. The unit is easy to maintain and doesn't get rusty, stained or corrode. At number 3. North Bayou Universal Portable TV. This universally designed stand is perfect for different types of TVs and will work with small, medium as well as large ones. The high-quality piece is made of durable metal that will handle regular movement, weight, and handling well. It is resistant to color fade, corrosion, rust and is also easy to maintain. Besides that, all that's required is wiping it with a clean cloth or rag. It's designed for flat TVs including plasma, LCD, and LED and mounting a TV takes only a few minutes. The clutter-free and space-saving design improves organization and makes it ideal even for small spaces. At number 2. VIVO Universal LCD LED. The VIVO TV stand is among the most functional and elegant pieces on the market. It can be found in many homes and business premises and is loved for many reasons. It's built from a hard-wearing metal that will last many years. It is light and compact, and this improves its movability, whereas the simple styles make fitting a TV easy. To add more value, the stand will support different TV sizes and remains steady so as to prevent the possibility of the TV falling. Good viewing is further improved by the adjustable TV height. And finally at number 1. Fitueyes T2O7001 MBL TV Mount. If you want an affordable, high-quality portable TV stand, then this one by Fitueyes will serve you well. It has a simple design for easy use and has a space-efficient design to suit the small spaces. This reasonably lightweight piece is crafted from sturdy steel that has a good weight capacity to handle different TV sizes. Likewise, it is very easy to move around thanks to its portable nature and weight and has a firm base to keep the TV well supported and secure. It has a smooth and elegant finish to complement the indoor decor and the TV as well. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.